In this video, we have an introduction to fractions. In our box, we have definitions of fractions, proper fractions, improper fractions, mixed numbers, and we're going to use these in the examples to come. In the first problem, they have, for the figure below, write the fraction represented by the shaded region. And a fraction is going to be in the form of A over B, and our numerator is going to be the parts represented, or in our case, it's going to be the shaded region. And in the denominator, B, it's going to represent the number of parts total. So if we look at this, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 total squares. So our denominator is going to be 10. And our numerator is going to be the number of shaded squares we have. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 shaded regions. So our fraction is going to be 7/10. In 2, we have the same directions as 1, and we want to write it in the lowest terms. So again, we have 10 equal squares. So we have 10 in our denominator. And if we counted the shaded regions, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 is going to go in our numerator, representing the number of shaded squares we have out of the 10 total. And if we divided the numerator and the denominator by 2, we would get 3 over 5 in lowest terms. We can also look at this as, instead of looking at it as 10 regions, we can look at the outside, and then we could also divide it into 5 regions. And now we have some shading in the 3 we have shaded. And now if you look at it, and we counted the total number of regions we have 5. We just have bigger rectangles than we started with. So the denominator was 5, and then we have 3 of them that are shaded in green. For 3, we want to write the fraction represented by the shaded region and also write it as a mixed number. So in this top figure, we have 2 shaded regions out of 5 total. In our bottom shaded region, we have 5 shaded regions out of 5 total. And when we add 2/5 plus 5/5, we add the numerators, so we have 7, and we have a common denominator of 5. And now when you want to write this as a mixed number, if we were to divide 7 by 5, we would get 1 with a remainder of 2. So this is equal to 1 with a remainder of 2 out of 5. So we can write this as 1 and 2/5. In 4, they want us to convert 3 and 5/6 to an improper fraction. In order to convert from a mixed number to an improper fraction, we're going to multiply the denominator times the whole number. So we have 3 times 6 plus the numerator, which is 5, all divided by the denominator, which is 6. And this is equal to 18 plus 5 divided by 6, which is equal to 23 divided by 6. In 5, they want us to reduce each fraction to its lowest terms. In A, we have 12 divided by 15, and both 12 and 15 are divisible by 3, so I could write this as 12 divided by 3 divided by 15 divided by 3. And 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. And 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5. So 12 over 15 reduces to 4 over 5. In B, we have 15 over 3, and both 15 and 3 are divisible by 3. So we have 15 divided by 3 over 3 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3 is equal to 5, and 3 divided by 3 is equal to 1. So 5 over 1 is equal to 5. And that's our video on introduction to fractions.